Good afternoon. Here's another installment of this. Carrying 3 bowls. Here's the old fart. The old fart doesn't let me get near him. Here's the black cat. Come here. And where's the tabby? Come here. Hey, come here. So, there's the tabby. There's the black cat. There's the old fart. Should be a gray cat around here somewhere. Oh, there's the gray cat. The gray cat just kind of hangs back, kind of wary of everything in life, even the other cats. But, there you go. Nummy nums. Alright, thanks for watching. If you didn't watch, well, what's wrong with you, man?